Hyundai Creta is one of the successful SUVs in the Indian market since its launch. Hyundai Creta is the segment leader. Recently in March, Hyundai launched its new generation 2020 Hyundai Creta with new updates. It has always been at the top when it comes to sales. Recently, when operations were resumed post the lockdown, Hyundai Creta managed to sell in some good numbers. The Hyundai Creta is now the best-selling car in India with sales registered at 3,212 units during the month of May 2020. The Indian auto industry has been facing one of its worst periods yet, with most operations having been shut down for the better half of the last 2 months because of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. The country entered a state of total lockdown back in the second half of March 2020, with relaxations being offered only in mid-May. Hyundai launched the Creta SUV back in early March, however, due to the lockdown period, had to delay sales and deliveries at the time. With Hyundai restarting its operations in May, they were able to convert all the pre-lockdown bookings to sales, which is one of the main reasons for the high sales figures of the Creta. Maruti occupied the second and third position on the list with the Ertiga and Dzire, respectively. The Maruti Ertiga registered 2,353 units of sales, while the Dzire recorded 2,215 units. Fourth on the list was the Mahindra Bolero with 1,715 units of sales, while the Maruti Eco completed the top 5 with 1,617 units of sales in the previous month. This is the first time the SUV has ever topped the list. The 2020 Hyundai Creta is a complete departure from the previous generation of the SUV. The new Creta comes with a completely fresh design and a brand new set of engines as well. The 2020 Hyundai Creta comes with a starting price of Rs 9.99 lakh and goes up all the way to Rs 17.21 lakh for the top spec variant. All prices are ex-showroom. The SUV borrows its engine and powertrain options from the Kia Seltos.